Welcome back to another GNL Reacts. Today, reacting to two music videos by V. One is Rainy Days, and the other one's Love Me Again. But first one we're gonna do is Love Me Again.
Go.
추억도 의미 없이 내게는 사라지고 이쯤에도 I can't let you go, let you go. 그 말이 다인 거니 한마디만 남기고 후회하며 Let me know, let me know. 그래 너 솔직하게 다 말할래. 너는 매일 어떤 사람 어떤 곳에 몇 번씩이나 뭘 하는지 널 생각해. Lost without you, baby. I wish you would love
I
me
love the karaoke.
again. No, I don't want nobody else. I wish you could love me again, again. I wish you would love me again. No, I don't want nobody else. I wish you could love me again, again. 나만 자꾸 이런 거지. 내 옆에 딴 사람 괜찮니? 여천으로 천천히 Make you feel better, you make it forever. 괜찮다 말하지 마. Said I'm alright, said I'll be fine. I'm sorry. 거짓말은 떠나지 마. 저리 가지 마. 그래 너 솔직하게 다 말할래. 너는 매일 어떤 사람 어떤 곳에 몇 번씩이나 뭘 하는지 널 생각해. Lost without you, baby.
Yeah, I like this retro vibe, and like I think he's in the cave, right?
Yeah.
Lost without you. I wish you would love me again. No, I don't want nobody else. I wish you could love me again, again. I wish you would love me again. No, I don't want nobody else. I wish you could love me again, again. I wish you would love me again. No, I don't want nobody else. I wish you could love me again, again.
Hey.
Dang, yo.
Yeah, his voice is so unique.
That song hits the feels, yo.
Yeah,
That song
kind
definitely
of
I'll listen in the car at night while
like
it's raining.
crying. Yeah, crying.
Yeah, cry.
I like the it made me feel like I was in a cafe and just vibing, taking a drink. That's not the type of feeling I was feeling. I was in the cafe and someone performing in the front.
Yeah.
I like that.
You like the karaoke, you said?
Yeah, that was a cool retro vibe. That was pretty cool because like I remember those days. Yeah, I like,
Yeah.
dude. Legit, I'm in my feels. That was really good. I gotta say, like of all the like BTS members, I think V has like the. I love the way that his voice is. It's very like strong and deep at the same time. It's very unique.
Yeah. He has an album, right? Coming out?
Let us know comments. Let us know. You know, Jungkook has his own solo thing now. Now V has his own thing too. Sugar too this year. Like a lot of
Oh,
them are doing their own thing lately, so it's pretty cool.
yeah. They should be coming back soon. I think next year, right? End of
Oh
next
yeah,
year, I heard. Yeah. I think.
I'm I bet add this to my playlist. I'm sad. Love me again. Oh, dude. Oh, I'm in my feels. That was so good.
Yeah, his vocals are really amazing. I haven't really like recently heard a lot of like, I guess like slow kind of songs. so this was really fresh to my ears.
Actually, yeah, it's been a while since I've heard like a little like slow song in a way and hits hard in a way. Yeah,
Yeah.
I feel that. And then he has another one called Rainy Days. Go. Oh, it has the same vibe. Like that retro vibe again.
Oh. Oh, yeah. Like the film, right? The film look?
Yeah.
Rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say? Wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days, like rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say? Wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days, like staring at my phone, I gauge, hoping for your call lately. I've been on my own, maybe.
Who hurt this man?
Time with you was so amazing. Haven't changed, I'm still the same. 늦었지만 우리 다시. Can we go back to the moment again? Yeah, rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say? Wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days, like rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say? Wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days, like.
Yo,
That's cool.
I'm so sad, dude.
Remember how I used to make you laugh the most. 내가 이런 말할 자격 없어도 Let me make up for all the time we lost. We can start again, open all the doors. Don't tell me it's over, we can start it over. 너는 나의 내 clover. Yeah, I can feel your touch, I remember your kiss. 그 말은 아팠지 and I miss you. Rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say? Wish I knew how to find the way
Oh, that's so cool.
right back to you. On rainy days, like rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say? Wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days, like.
Dang, yeah.
I am so alone.
I guess like that music video shows like I guess like people after a breakup, they just chill in their house, try to piece it all together, try to find a way back.
Is that how you feel?
I feel like it's a continuation of the other song. I think it's a perfect like connect story a little bit with it.
Yeah, it kind of sounded like the same in a while. Like the beat, the tone of it, even the like music video wise too, like the effect too, camera.
Yeah,
it just fit well together. But who hurt this man? I'm sad. I thought it was gonna be. I thought I'm coming out of this beauty reaction like sad, and I feel like I need to love. Like I need to find somebody.
Oh my.
Rainy days, dude. Yeah, dude.
Yeah.
He could sing, man. He could sing really well.
Another one for the playlist.
Yeah, this is going to my I do have a like a playlist of all sad songs, so that is definitely going there.
I'm excited. I just checked. He does have an album coming out. It's coming out September 8th. It's called Layover.
Yeah, it's coming up soon. Yeah,
I can't wait to hear more of this.
No, this kind of music is definitely in my realm that I would put on repeat. So I am gonna add both of these songs in my playlist.
Okay.
Do you ever because I'm sad?
Yeah. Do you ever mix them? Do you ever mix like happy songs with sad songs?
No, I can't. No, it's like listening to like 90s like pop, and all of a sudden it's like Boys to Men. It's really sad. So I can't.
So you
I
don't
I had
can't
to
mix them.
feel. Yeah, I can't mix it together.
You can't be like super shy and then it goes
No.
rainy days, you know?
I can't. I can't. A good point. No, but no. If I'm sad or like I'm in a mood to listen to like some really feels bad music,
Yeah.
like I love these kind of music because it has like songs that are so sad have like so much meaning to it. The words into it, the imagination of how you're feeling. Like that's why I like really sad music.
Okay.
Yeah, not because I'm sad, because of the feels. I
The
like the
lyrics
feels.
and like like some of the artists like put their like experience in there too, right?
Yeah, for sure. So I am going to add this to my playlist, and I'm going to play this on a rainy day, and I'm going to be like in a music video sad.
Okay.
Have you ever done that before? Like,
What?
you're in a car, right? And it's raining really hard, and you're like, you play like a super sad song. So I pretend I'm in a music video, like I'm cool,
All
sad,
right.
sad, like
And then you're stuck in traffic. You put your head on the
yeah,
wheel.
yeah. You're like in a music video.
Yeah.
Yeah, I do it all the time.
Well, if this gets 100 likes, Pokey will do a music video in the rain.
I'm sad.
Thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, and until next time.
Peace.